Hey guys, it's Tom. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some potstickers. Potsticker is a really popular dish from China. It's crispy outside and juicy inside. It's so tasty and everyone loves it. So these potsticker dumplings are actually easier to make than you think. So let's get started. Add 75mm boiling water and 75mm room temperature water into 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Here's the tip, don't add all the waters at the same time. Instead, we're going to gradually add water until they're evenly combined. Once the dough starts to come together, we're going to use our hand and knead it for about 5 minutes. Place the dough on your work surface and cover it. Let it rise for about 2 hours. While we're waiting on the dough, we're going to clean some mushrooms. Remove the roots and clean inside and outside of the mushrooms. Next, we're going to shred some green cabbages. Make sure you remove the middle part of the green cabbage because this part is not going to hold much flavor and it is also very chewy. Next, we're going to shred some mushrooms. Last but not least, we're going to shred some green onion and ginger. Next, we're going to season our meat. Add the chopped ginger and green onion into 250 grams of ground chicken. Keep adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Finally, add 1 egg and mix everything very well. Mixing time will be about 3 to 5 minutes. Keep adding about 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and mix about 2 more minutes. And then cover it with plastic and put in the fridge. Now we're going to make the potsticker wrappers. We're going to knead the dough a little bit until the surface becomes smooth. Next, we're going to divide the dough by 4 parts. Make a rope with each part and cut it into equal sections. Use our hand to press each piece into a small disc. And then we're going to use a rolling pin to flatten it into a thin disc. Use one hand to move the rolling pin halfway over the dough and then rolls back. The other hand turns the wrapper a little bit each time in a circular motion. This might be a time-consuming job for the beginners, but once you get the rhythm right, you will make them faster. Now we're going to add the shredded mushrooms and green cabbage into our seasoned ground chicken and mix them together. Dip your finger in a little bit of water and wet the edges of the wrapper. And then place about 1 tablespoon of meat mixture in the middle. Next, I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways to fold your potstickers. First, we're going to fold the wrapper in half and completely press the edges together, and then seal all the way to the end. The second way is almost same as the first one, but we're going to leave the both ends open. This is the traditional Chinese potsticker shape. The third one is going to be done by my wife since it's more complicated and I'm not really good at it. First, let's start by pinching the potsticker wrapper together at one of the bottom corners. And then take the side of the potsticker wrapper facing away from you and plate it towards the corner you have already sealed. Continue plating in that direction until the potsticker completely sealed. This one looks pretty good, but like I said, it's more complicated. Now it's time to cook those dumplings. Turn the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into a fry pan. Once the oil is warm, we're going to place the potstickers in. Let it cook until we can see this brown crispy color on the bottom of potstickers. Slowly add about 1 cup of the cornstarch water. And then we're going to turn the heat to medium-low, cover the pan, let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now the water has cooked off, we're going to add a little bit of cooking oil on top of those potstickers. Flip them to the other side and cook for 2 more minutes. Now we're going to place them in a plate and we're ready to serve. Those freshly made dumplings definitely gonna take more your time to make than those frozen ones, but you will be surprised by the taste of it. Now is the time to make our dipping sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of Chinese black vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of chili oil in a bowl and mix well. Okay guys, that was today's video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, I make new videos every week. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you next week.